Sudan's Paramilitary Rapid Support Forces (RSF) has agreed to a proposal from the US for a humanitarian ceasefire. Sudan's military-led government has not yet responded. The RSF issued the statement after seizing the city of El Fasher in the western Darfur region. Their 18-month siege blocked humanitarian aid despite repeated UN appeals, causing starvation among residents unable to flee. A UN-backed global hunger monitor has confirmed famine conditions in the city. The RSF has been facing an international backlash over reports of mass killings by its foot soldiers, which it has denied. But it has admitted violations were committed by individuals and arrested some. And the US Supreme Court will allow the Trump administration to require all new passports to display an individual's biological sex at birth for now. The conservative majority court today froze an order from a lower court in Massachusetts that had stopped the US government from changing its policy while the legal process plays out. The court said displaying passport holders' sex at birth no more offends equal protection principles than displaying their country of birth. On his first day in office, Trump signed an executive order recognizing only two sexes, leading the US to issue passports with just male or female designations based on a person's sex recorded at birth.